What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Neil Henderson here from Clearview Plastics, and today I'm going to show you the newest enclosure that we've developed for a super popular new 3D printer that's on the market, the Snapmaker U1. Check this out, guys. Okay, so here's the new enclosure for the Snapmaker U1, and this is based on our Core XY enclosure platform, and then we tailor fitted it to the Snapmaker U1. So this is a perfect fit for this guy, and as you can see here, we've got the multi-tool head array back there with plenty of clearance for that multi-tool head, and there's also more than enough clearance to put the top hat or the cover on that Snapmaker is delivering as well. So we just don't have that in quite yet. So the most significant thing about our enclosures and for the Core XY printers is that we've developed what we call our frameless dual door design. And so you can see we have a nice big front door here to give you plenty of access to work on your printer, to open up the door. You can see that we actually have some riser plates with these to clear the door frame. And so that's pretty common on our Core XY 3D printers that they need to be risen up about 1 inch. So whether you use our riser feet or dampening pads, as long as you get that door up about 3/4 of an inch, then to make sure that the door clears, then we're in good shape. So with our dual door design, again, you can see that we have plenty of workspace here, but then we also have this top hatch up here that opens up, and this gives you a huge amount of room to work on the printer while it's inside the enclosure. So you don't really need to take the 3D printer out of the enclosure to work on it. And then even more so, this top door is sized so that you'll be able to take top uh, the top cover off to work on your 3D printer as well. And so that's a huge convenience so that it works with the workflow of the Snapmaker U1. And that's what we specialize in, and we tailor fit our enclosures to 3D printers. So let me just shut this guy back here. So as you can see here as well, we've got our two spool holders on the side, then there's two spool holders on the other side. So this enclosure kind of mirrors on the other side. So we put in a nice, big, healthy sized side door so that you can change out your spools on the sides here. You can access your spools here. And then if you ever need to, you can get behind the printer as well. And you can see that door exists on this side as well, so that you can reach those spools just as well. So this enclosure comes automatically with both of the side doors compared to most of the other Core XY enclosures that we make. You can elect to have one or two doors. So this one automatically comes with two doors. So some of the accessories that we have set up on this enclosure is we've got our HD hardware kit on this one. So this one comes with metal hinges, more heavy duty hex style hardware that looks a little nicer and is easier to work with. And then you get metal door pulls as well. So that's the hinges on the front, the hinges on the sides, all the hardware, and all the door pulls. And on this one, we've got our intake filter mounted here. So the intake filter is a nice option because this ensures that only fresh air is being fed in. So for those people that are looking to exhaust hot air out, and whether it be through a filter or out a window, it's nice to have like a nice equalized pressure going into the enclosure so that you can displace air, and it's nice to have clean air going in to make sure that it's not dusty air going in. So that's a non-powered filter It's a HEPA filter, and then we've designed it so that you can get replacements on Amazon for about $4 a piece. So it's super easy to service. It lasts several hundred hours anyway. On the back here, we've actually got our exhaust filter. And with this exhaust filter, this is a HEPA filter with that's impregnated with charcoal. So the charcoal is designed to help get rid of some of the fumes, and the HEPA is designed to get rid of some of the particulate. And this just bolts right on to what we call our filter ports on our enclosure. So with our filter ports, this one particularly comes with 4 filter ports. You can see on here we actually have one of our covers for our filter ports on the side here. When we include these for any filter ports that you have not that you didn't buy a filter for. So pretty much if you buy the intake filter and exhaust filter, you get 2 filter port covers to make sure that all of the holes are covered up. And so this also makes it so that you can arrange the filters the way that you like. So you can put your intake filter on the back, and then you can put an exhaust filter on the side, whatever works the best for your setup. And so the way that also these covers work is we actually take the drop piece when we cut the acrylic, and then we developed a mounting bracket right around that so that you don't lose the look of the enclosure, but then you still are able to cover that hole, and it looks pretty slick. So for us, we do a lot of work into making these enclosures not only function well, but we also want them to look great as well. So let's see here, some other details on this guy. We went over the access. On the back here, we've got a wire port to feed in any data cables and your power cord as well. And this is super easy to, you can actually take this out as needed and place it back in. We've also got grommets up here so that if you have any other accessories or if you're trying to feed filament from the outside, then you can actually get wires from the side there as well. And then there's also one back here again. So if you're having any other accessories that you're trying to bring into the enclosure, then you have a wire grommet so that it's easy to bring in stuff like Bowden tubes, wires, etc. Into the enclosure as well. Another thing on our filters, the powered filters. This one has a 95 CFM fan in it, and all of our filters for the powered one, they plug in with this super easy 2.1 millimeter barrel connector, and then the power supply that we include with it is also a speed control power supply, and then this fan is pretty nearly silent as well. So if you're using this in kind of a quiet space, then it's pretty handy. So with this enclosure, actually, it's pretty darn handy as far as not only containing fumes and particulate from that are byproducts of the 3D printing process, but it also helps to quiet down this printer so that if you're using this in a quiet place, then it helps to dampen out some of the, especially like the high pitch fan noises, and then it helps to just protect some of the users around it too. So if you have kids or pets that would otherwise interfere with the printing process, this enclosure helps to keep things out as well. Okay, so now I actually have the 3D printer fired up a little bit and some of the fans are spinning. And so I wanted you to be able to hear the noise difference between when the enclosure is closed versus open. And so I can hear the 3D printer on the inside humming along, and as it warms up for the file that I'm going to print. And if I open this, I'm not sure if how the microphones are going to pick that up, but there's definitely a noise difference to help reduce the level of noise that the 3D printer is making, and so it really helps to quiet things down. And so that is the brand new enclosure for the Snapmaker U1 3D printer. If you've been around 3D printing or if you're brand new, Clearview Plastics has become quite the staple for having the best quality enclosures that ensure that your 3D printing workspace is clean, healthy, and safe. We actually make these enclosures right here in Sacramento, California, and we ship worldwide. If you want to see more information, head on over to our website. It's clearviewplastic.com. Plastic is singular. I'll see you there, guys. Thanks so much.